All this while, everyone thought that you will be with Churchill Alemao or Savio Alemao and support them for these elections. And it was the case 22 elections also. की बाबा दिसले आणि तेच तू रावलो. What happened, that आता तू separate रावलो आणि what exactly happened? You are joining Congress.
I hope and pray that Congress opens the doors for me, because my step is to take this party upwards and onwards. I really want to work with the Congress party. I want to work with Girish sir. I want to work with Yuri Alemao. I want to work with Archit Naik. I want to work with Captain Viryat. I want to work with them. And if I get a chance, I can assure you that they will not be disheartened if I work with them. I will make sure not only Benalim constituency but Salsette belt, the youth, I'll be the face of the youth of Salsette. Wenzi should answer every 3 months why he is going to South Africa and Singapore.
Why?
He should answer election time. I will show the papers, the documents.
किती आते South Africa?
Then answer kor.
Tell us also.
He should answer how much, what is there in South Africa, what kit gold mine ha South Africa. Then answer kor jai loka bazot.
सध्या मॉन्सून सीझन सुरू जाला आणि ऑल्सो इलेक्शन सीझन सुरू जाल्लें आसा. आमी पळयता प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन सध्या जी उलोवणी जाता ती म्हणजे राजकारणा विशीं. आणि बाणावली अशी एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसा जंयचें राजकारण पयलीं पासून फामाद. आणि एक फॅमिली आसा आलेमांव फॅमिली, जाका लागून तें फामाद. पूण आतां सध्या आमी पळयता आलेमांव फॅमिलीन दोन वेगवेगळे फॅक्टर्स फुडें सरता. एक आसा चर्चिल आलेमांव आनी दुसरो आसा वॉरन आलेमांव. सध्या आमी येयल्ले आसा बाणावली बिचाचेर आणि तुमी पळयतात हो हब एनकावंटर स्पेशल फ्रॉम बाणावली बीच. आमचे बरोबर आसा वॉरन आलेमांव. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you sir for coming. Welcome to Benauli.
वेलकम टू बेनावली. हांगा एक आसा थंय एक पार्किंग आसा, दोन पार्किंग.
होय, दोन पार्किंग.
सो म्हाका
बाणावली बीचीची and that's a parking lot म्हणा.
हां,
ते साइड.
that so this side is the beach.
This is the
part
beach.
of your constituency.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
म्हाका एक सांग, when I refer to you,
Yeah.
I should call you a social activist, social worker. What do I call you as a leader? What do I call you as?
No, just a simple, normal social worker who believes in groundwork.
Believes in groundwork.
Groundwork. लोकांमध्ये. Leader म्हाक जावपा नाका. हांव leader लोकांक करपाक, leader लोकांक म्हणूं जाय. How can I call myself? I'm just a normal social worker who believes in groundwork and being among the people. And हांव सदां लोकांमध्ये आसता.
All this while, I'll means no word and ask you directly. All this while, everyone thought that you will be with Churchill Alemao or Savio Alemao and support them for these elections. And it was the case 22 elections also. की बाबा दिसले आणि तेच तू रावलो. What happened, that आता तू separate रावलो आणि what exactly happened?
See, happened म्हणल्यार कांय ना. I have a lot of respect for my uncle Churchill, my auntie Fatima, and for the rest of my uncles also, for Uncle Joachim or Uncle Kennedy. Doon zan uncle munge they passed away, Abraham uncle and Roosevelt. So for family the respect has always been there. Politically, for the last few elections I have supported both my uncles, not just Churchill uncle, even Joachim uncle I've supported, and I've always been behind the curtain, back. But after last elections, the people of Benaulim have been very vociferous, loud and clear that it's time for Warren to step up the gear and come in front. And that's the reason I've been on ground. If you've seen मुगे काम तु चोयल्या काम 2022 election counting जाले, दुसऱ्या दिसासून काम चालू मुगेले आणि अजून पर्यंत चालू हा, and it will go on.
सो पूण हांव एक पयलीं पासून रायट फ्रॉम बिगिनींग आलेमांव टुगेदर वॉज अ स्ट्रेंथ.
रायट.
इफ यू गो टू सी पयलीं कशें म्हणटाले की पळय चर्चिलाक कितें म्हटलें जाल्यार तेका राग येतला, तेका राग येतला, तेका राग येतला. म्हणजे यू कॅनॉट सेपरेट आलेमांव फॅमिली वॉज दी थिंग. नाव आय हॅव सीन दॅट आलेमांव फॅमिली इज डिवायडेड इंटू 3 रादर. युरी आलेमांव, ओके, वॉरन आलेमांव and Churchill Alemao and his son and daughter. So that will not be negative for you.
See, I'm saying once again, I'm clearly emphasizing this to you. Personally, दी आलेमांव फॅमिली कोणा कितें जाल्या सगळे धांवन येताय पर्सनली पॉलिटिकली as time goes by the ideology in the younger generation has changed. Everyone has their own mindset which we should respect. Everyone has their own way of moving ahead which we should also respect. I respect everyone's my cousins, their ideology and their mindset, and I'm moving along with my mindset. So strength as a family, if tomorrow something goes wrong to any of my family members of the Alimaus, I as Warren, as the late Alvena's and Lalush's son, me and my two brothers Regan and Fraser, will always be there for the family.
But you even politics was together earlier.
Earlier, now as I said, sir, the ideology changes. No, I do not believe in the ideology of the other person, and that's why you cannot take. I'll put it this way: you cannot take the sentiment of the people. लोकांगे जो मोना जो काढचा जो सेंटिमेंट आहे तो you can't take it for granted. I want to stick with the sentiments of the people. I do not want to stick with the sentiments of some higher ups and do the work on ground. I cannot do that. I will stick with my people, with the sentiments of my people. That's the reason I'm moving with the sentiments of the residents, citizens of Benalim constituency. Very
Last
clear.
question on Alema. I'll then further
No,
move
no,
on
you
to
can
it.
ask as many you and I'll answer. There's nothing to hide or run away from.
Okay.
Kind of.
वालंका Alema जर नावेली उभे रावले, will you support her?
I am only focusing on Benalim constituency. I want to सांगला sir की
But will you
हांव-
at least call your friends in Naveli and
I'll-
say, "Arey, my cousin is contesting there, vote for her."
सर वॉरन म्हणटा तो एक धाकटोसो सोशल वर्कर बाणालेचो इतलो इम्पॉर्टन्स वॉरन आलेमाक दिनाका तूं हांव होकोच बाणालेचो कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचो म्हाका मुगे लोकां पासो थिंग काम करूं जाय आय डोंट थिंक आय हॅव रीच दॅट लेवल दॅट आय कॅन कट अक्रॉस कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीज एंड मेक अ कॉल आय वील स्टीक टू माय बेनाल तूं बाणाल कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी हुंयचे देरा वचपा लाय मुगेले हांव वयतलो म्हाका नांवान सारको ओळखताय वॉरन म्हणून तोंडान सारको ओळखताय Benalim constituency is my forte. It's my strength. I will put it that way. The people of Benalim are my strength. So in Benalim constituency, I will focus on thoroughly. Other constituencies, I don't think I would want to be interfering.
Not even call and
Not
tell
even,
someone?
No.
ना म्हणटा तूं.
I will not interfere. I'll put it like I'll just focus on my constituency.
Are you facing these questions? What I am asking you right now. Are
A
you
lot.
also facing this in society when you go, you
Yeah,
meet people?
a lot.
लोक विचारता तुका की
जायत जाण इंचाताय पूण लोकांक बाणाले न्हू पूण गोंय सगळे लोक खबर वॉरन इज वर्किंग एज वॉरन सरनेम इज देर ओनली एंड आय एम प्राउड टू बी एन आलेमाव लेट मी मेक इट वेरी क्लियर वेरी वेरी प्राउड बट आय एम वर्किंग एज वॉरन माय आयडियोलॉजी इज डिफरंट माय आयडियोलॉजी इज टू बी विथ द सेंटिमेंट्स ऑफ एवरी citizen of Benalim constituency, not with, I will not go with an ideology of someone sitting on a higher up chair and आमगे बाणालकाराचे काळजा म्हाका दुखोवपा नाका हांव आमगे बाणालकारा कितें जाय तें बाणाले लोकांक मेळो जाय
सो आतां तूं खंयची पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वतलो जाल्यार बाणावलेकाराक विचारून वतलो पूण तूं ऑलरेडी काँग्रेसीक एप्लाय केला यू हॅव एप्लायड
हय
एप्लायड बट निदर रिजेक्टेड नॉर एक्सेप्टेड
हय सो म्हाका लोकांनी कितें म्हणलां मुगे फ्रेंडांनी सपोर्टरांनी वेल विशरांनी वॉरन तुवें ह्यान इतल्या 4 वर्सां सेगीत काम केलां तुका तेजो फेड मेळपा जायो एट द सेम टायम दे सेड आवर फर्स्ट थिंग इज दॅट वाय डोंट यू नॉक ऑन द डोर्स ऑफ द काँग्रेस पार्टी बिकॉज देयर आयडियोलॉजी एंड मायन इज द सेम सेक्युलर आयडियोलॉजी सो आय हॅव नॉक्ड ऑन द डोर्स आय हॅव शोन फ्रॉम माय सायड that I want to stick with Congress party. Now it is up to them whether what they feel about it. I feel at the right time the doors will open for me because I am a man who's always stuck to his principles. So
you let us go on the
Yeah,
beach I
yes,
think लोकांक बीच दाखोवया आनी कोण पावना बाणावले तेंच्या खातीर ग्लिम्स पावसान येया पण पावसान बीच बरो दिसता न्ही
बरो दिसता सर पूण तुवें चोयल्या इट्स नॉट क्लीन
क्लीन ना सद्या
क्लीन ना हिंगा आतां गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवान म्हाका दिसता 90 क्रोजाचो हें दिलो टेंडर काण एक कंपनी दिलो 90 क्रोज सफाई हुंया बिचाची
हय
कॉस्मेटीक डेव्हलपमेंट आहा बाणाले कॉस्मेटीक
क्लीन ना
क्लीन ना चोय न्हू सर तूं चोय कितें ह्यो बियरा बाटल्यो ह्यो प्लास्टीक
चालू आहा ते
चालू आहा तें वी हॅव टू कीप दिस इज अ प्रेस्टीन बीच इट्स अ प्रायड offers.
साऊथ गोवा कोलवा आणि बाणावले बीच म्हटल्यार फामाद
Oy,
जाता.
famat nu sir.
ओके सो आय विल कम बॅक टू
Yeah.
आय विल कम टू दॅट लेटर.
Yes,
सो
sir.
दे रायट नाव सो काँग्रेसीन जर तुका सांगलें की वी डोंट वॉन्ट यू जाल्यार वॉट नेक्स्ट?
Sir, it's, you know, sir, what's happening is that right now Benaulim is voiceless. बाणाले गांवांत MLA ना हक्कोच आनी तूं गांव कंटिन्युअसली कित्या म्हणटा कित्या MLA नाच फेसबुकाचेर ना आहा इंस्टाग्रामाचेर आनी तूं चोय फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 days बॅक हिंगासून तूं मातशें आनी एक दोन 5 मिनटां वाटे वाडी बीच आहा वाडी बिचीचे तिंगाचे भुरगे आहाय ते मी एक होंडपूर वयला सिमेंट घायन MLA गे ऑफिसा गेलाय ते सगळे कुठे गेलाय PWD बरे गेलाय कोणे केलं ना
ते रस्त्यार आशिल्लो
गावलो रस्त्यार आसलेलो
हां
लोकांन ते सिमेंट घान शिमीट घान पुरयला
हां ओके
एसलो आयचो बाणाले गांव बेनावलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इज गोइंग थ्रू दॅट देर इज नो डेव्हलपमेंट देर इज नो प्री मॉन्सून वर्क्स कांय तयारी ना हेजी
यू टेल पॉलिटिक्स
Yeah.
फर्स्ट काँग्रेसीन ना म्हटल्यार खंय वतलो?
I don't think Congress will say no to me because I'm the only option if Congress wants to win the seat in Benaulim. 25 years, Congress didn't win the seat. I don't think they'll do that mistake again. They've got a dynamic
Your
leader.
uncle has already gone and met with Girish.
It's okay, everyone has to meet, no? कोणा तांबूय
You didn't meet,
पाहता
I think. अजून फोटो पळोवना तुजो.
फोटो कित्याक घालू जायो
मेळो पडून.
म्हाका सगळे मेळ्ळाय आनी हांव सगळ्या मेळ्ळा
गिरीशा मेळो तू विश बी केलो?
Yeah, I wished. I met Girish
फोनार
sir.
काय पर्सनली वचून?
No, I met Girish sir personally. I've met who I had to meet.
ओके
Let me put it that way. But I do not see, the thing is the party should see who's on the ground. Survey Katli party. Tedo metolo answer. I am so confident. Why do I need to put a photo and show that I've met someone? My work will speak.
That's a style म्हणून.
That is social media style.
आमचे कशे चलतले?
My work, sir, my work will speak my style.
Okay. So, but you are confident that Congress will, you are joining Congress?
I have made it very clear that I want to join Congress party because I believe in the Congress party ideology, in the ideology of Rahul Gandhi ji. I believe in the ideology of Girish sir. I believe in the ideology of Yuri Alimau. I believe in the ideology of each and every party leader of the Congress. So I think Congress party also has to take this up very seriously if they want to win Benaulim. See, Benaulim constituency doesn't go only with the party. If it had gone with the party only, this is a very serious thought, sir. If they had gone with the party, Benaulim would have never gone away from Congress. But it's been 25 years. Congress has not won here. Why? Because the candidate has never been crystal clear, like who's on ground. This time I'm on ground 24/7. I have the panchayats backing me up. Benaulim constituency is waiting to celebrate the day Warren Alamau enters Congress party.
And contests.
And you choila nu
And wins.
100% victory is assured. I'm saying with
Wenzi खूपच अंडरएस्टिमेट करता.
No, it's
you are
not.
just treating him like a kid now.
I'm not treating him like a kid. I want to throw away arrogance. ही शेपदाची एक भाषा जी आहे, एरेगन्स जी आहे, दादागिरी जी आहे, ती म्हाका बाणालसून काडपा जाय.
ती तुकडे करता तो बाकीच्यांकडे
ना तू सगळे पंचायताक उलय. सगळे
तुझ्या आणि त्याच्या मातशे चडच
म्हाका
आसता.
पर्सनल कांय ना, पूण आमगेले न्हू पंचायत, आमची प्रतिनिधी, आमची रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह, लोकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह, तेमकां रिस्पेद मेळो जायो. सगळे कामां आतां चोय सर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्री मॉन्सून वर्क आमगे बाणालेची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी गेल्ले WRD बरे. WRD म्हणटा तूं MLA की सायन हाड. ती पंचायतान मोको आहा म्हूण तो MLA सायन दिना तेमकां. अशें केस जाता. ती प्री मॉन्सून वर्क ते लोकां पासत न्हू ते. नल्लाचे ओ गायऱ्याचे. Those works I have done today. I have spent my personal income all across Benaulim constituency. I have done pre-monsoon work. What the MLA should have done.
आपणही बॉल्सातले पैसे घालून गायरे बिरेन
दाखोय म्हूण सांग ताका. I have done more than 75 to 80 ponds today. I have cleaned. I have done desilting of ponds. I have done nallas across Benaulim. Each and every citizen of Benaulim will tell you today. Why are people calling me instead of going to the MLA? Because the MLA is only visible on Facebook.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु। अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद। कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु।
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी। पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो।
बट हाऊ मच म्हाका एक सांग पळया, तुका पयशे खंयच्यान येता?
Sir.
वॉट हाव तेका हेका खूब पयशे जाय पडटा. नाव माय क्वेश्चन इज,
yeah.
इज एनीवन फंडिंग यू नाव?
See, what it is, sir, when I was 19, I lost my mother. At the age of 22, I went into barge business.
अच्छा.
म्हाका ते टायमा हांवें घरा पेपर दोन हांवें लोन काडलो. It's all on paper, so I'm not, anyone can go through RTI.
Election affidavit येतले ते
Yeah,
जाय
so
जाल्यार.
that time at the age of 22, I owned a barge
Okay.
in the name of ANL company. Me and my brother and my cousin brother, we three were partners in it.
हां.
We had barge business. 2 barges I had. I've saved that money, has been there. I was into transportation of iron ore through that ANL company. I have worked hard. तो आलेमा टॅगा लागून मेळ्ळें नाय त्या कामा. हांव सकाळीं 9 आज 8:30 वयतालो वास्को ऑफिसा आहलोले आमगेले. I have got a history in the Goa Barge Association. You can ask. I had done 178 trips in 1 year.
हां.
It's all hard work. It's
So
not
you have
complete.
saved that.
That has been saved. I have.
What is your business if someone asks you की आमकां विचारलें अरे वरन कितें काम करता काय म्हणून?
See, sir, when the right time comes, everything will be visible on the paper. I don't want.
आता विचारलें जाल्यार वरन
people know.
business?
People know. I have done savings, no, sir.
That you
savings.
are-
Yeah, I have got savings. Then there are friends of mine who are sitting in America, who are sitting in London. आमगे गोंयकार म्हणटा तुका,
हां.
Middle East. They all are helping me. They want a leader to come.
बाणावलेकार.
बाणालेकर ते सगळे हेल्प कोताय म्हाका. ते दाटाय व्हरून तूं हाडचो नाका आनी तूं इतलें काम केलां तूं हटचो नाका. पयशा प्रॉब्लम तूं घेयनाका, ते आमगे प्रॉब्लम म्हूण. आमगे गांव सांबाळून दी म्हूण तूं आमकां.
वेन्झी आसा पळय न्ही, वेन्झी वॉज लायक अ गुड MLA न्हू, कारण ही रोज फ्रॉम नोवेर. तो ही वॉज अ
No,
seafarer, then COVID
I-
time he worked.
Right. See, the thing is, COVID, the whole, tene full, he's taken the whole credit.
हां.
But Goa Siemens Association, they are.
ओके.
ते सगल्यागो आतात हितू. But one person took the credit and went.
But he got elected.
He got
in
elected, no doubt. He got
There
elected.
was a wave in his
He
favor.
got elected. I'll tell you today. First time I'm saying it on camera. He got elected because of. I don't know if I say or not. But if Churchill Alemao had stood on NCP, and if Churchill Alemao had not changed parties, today Churchill Alemao would have been the MLA. People did not like that Churchill Alemao switched parties to TMC and went. That is the only reason he won there. Otherwise, he would not have won. That today everyone is saying. As Aam Aadmi Party, I never vouched for that party for a simple reason. This Aam Aadmi Party, Mutaiti, when it was formed, it had come with an ideology what we all thought was good. Miler gen bauntale, meetinga, puish gal mun. Ais toch MLA, banale do. Per munshak inga electionak 5,000 dita. त्याच अंडर उणे 50 जाण कामदार आहे. कामदार म्हणा तुका वर्कर आहे. आमगे युथाचे.
हां.
तेमकां तो 25-30 हजार दिता. Venzi should answer from where is that money coming? Where is that money coming? Venzi should answer every 3 months why he is going to South Africa and Singapore.
कितें why?
He should answer election time. I will show the papers, the documents.
कितें आहा तें सावथ आफ्रिका?
Then answer करपा.
Tell us also.
He should answer how much, what is there in South Africa, what kid gold mine ha South Africa. Then answer करू जाय लोकां बाजून.
Okay.
Because I will question him during elections.
So you know why he
I
goes.
know.
तू right time रावला.
I have the tickets, the flight airline tickets. I have everything with me. At the
Okay.
right time, I will ask him. Venzi is going to each and every constituency, each and every part of Goa, saying no to Bailen Lokang, Sharmang, Varmang,
Allow
allow Kurnaga. Tegle, Saspain, एक दोंगोर इंगिला तेमगे दोंगोर तेमगे एक भाटा ते इंकून थिंग वेंजिगे सायन आहा ते मोको चोय फोनाचेर देखून आय कॅन शो इट टू यू काणकोण वेंजी इफ यू आर सेइंग नो टू डेव्हलपमेंट टू आउटसायडर्स वाय आर यू सायनींग म्हणजे तुगे सासपायन तुजे आर्म धरलो तुगे तकलीचे आर्म धरलो वेंजिले तेन कितें आमाली सायन सो लोकांक न्हू एक पाटी फटयपा जाता सर 2 पाटी फटयपा जाता सोद्दां फटयपा जायना यू कॅन्ट फूल द पीपल
ओके सो यू डोंट ट्रस्ट वेन्झी
इज ही ट्रस्टवर्दी people of Benalim have got that they've given him a clear cut answer for ZP election.
डिक्सन कितें म्हणटा डिक्सन इज नाव आय थिंक बर्थडे जालो आनी देर वॉज दीस की
I was invited for the birthday.
so-
I went for the birthday. I wished
देर
him.
वॉज दिस वेव की डिक्सन शुड कॉन्टेस्ट आयडियली आय थिंक बेनावलीम ओनली
See,
कॉन्टेस्ट
Dixon is a good friend of mine, to be very honest. I'm a very straight, clear-cut person, sir. I will not run around the bushes. Dixon is a good friend, but whether Dixon should contest or not, that Dixon will answer to you all.
What if Dixon contest?
No, Dixon is contest. Everyone has the right to contest.
No, that everyone knows.
Yeah.
But politically,
No, I don't see him as a major block for me.
काय ना
Kinda.
तुझी मतं खावची ना फ्रेंड
ना.
फ्रेंड युअर
ना.
फ्रेंड्स वुड बी डिवायडेड
No friend will be divided. All my friends have made it clear to him
मतं मारना म्हणून
that not to contest. All my friends have told him not to contest.
मिकी सांगा मिकी
I think at the right time Dixon will support me.
अच्छा
I feel. Because he knows if he has to choose between the good and bad, who's the good, he knows.
so this is your confidence
I'm
or
confident.
overconfident
No, confident, sir. I'm very confident he'll support me because he also, as a Sarpanch, he's seen the works that Warren has done.
okay
He's seen it.
मिकी सांग मिकी पाशेको इज नाव अगेन आईंग ऑन बेनावलीम फॉर्मर MLA
More than welcome.
why you're welcoming
I'm welcoming everyone. See, why I'm not. I don't even have a frown. No stress. Because I'm on ground, sir. People are waiting to vote for Warren and get him elected. It's a clear-cut message.
मिकी बिकी कोण आयला काय फरक मिकी
म्हाका
मस्ट
कोण
बी हॅव्हिंग हिज ओन फॅन फॉलोईंग नो MLA असलो पयलीं कामां
Fair
केला
enough.
आसतली लोकांची
Fair enough. Everyone is welcome, no, sir. Who कोणा थांबयपा जाता? No one
अफेक्ट
wants.
जातलो काय ना तुका
Maka na. I'll be happy if Mickey contest. Mickey should stick to his word and contest.
अच्छा
He should stick to his word.
दिस इज चॅलेंज और दिस इज
This is not a challenge. I'm just telling Mickey, if you really want to contest, please contest. Stop making political statements. There's no more time for political statements.
डायरेक्ट कॉन्टेस्ट
Election पावले मरे sir.
लागी पावले, sir.
लागी
Okay.
पावले.
ओके सो नाव अगेन एज अ वॉरन नाव लेट अस टॉक अबाउट सम
Yeah.
पॉझिटिव्ह थिंग्स अबाउट आता तू आता इतल्या हांगा काम करता म्हणटा वॉट कॅन यू चेंज ऑफ बेनावली रेस्ट ऑफ द बेनावली सिम्स टू बी व्हेरी नायस प्लेस एवरीथिंग इज इन प्लेस
No, sir,
आता
I-
खंय एक फोन बोल्लो बिल्लो दीज आर
तुका हांव आंता वता हिंगसोन एक थिंग विन्संट बार म्हणा थिंगसोन एक स्ट्रेच ती ऑलमोस्ट 1 किलोमिटराची 3 म्हयने पयले थिंग आमदार MLAन थिंग एक प्रेस गेला आनी लोकांक रिक्वेस्ट केल्लें की म्हाका 1 म्हयन्याक टायम दियाय ही पायप घाताय आमी मातशी आडकोड जातली पूण तुम सोसून घेवपा जाय कित्याक फॉर द लॉंगर रन इट्स गुड 3 months have happened. Today's day, I can take you right now, you can be live on camera. Hond Teshai, 2 days back, one girl broke her leg over there. Pipe गायलाय पूण तेशे दोलो प्री मॉन्सून वर्काचे भरपूर WRD आणि PW काम केलें म्हूण सांगलें हिंगा बट इट्स नॉट कम टू एन प्रॉपर एंडींग पीपल आर सफरींग देर आर रोड हांव तुका सांगता त्या भाशेन वाडी बिचीचे लोकांनी शिमीट गायन हें गायन रस्तो केला देर इज नो वर्क विच डन सर इट्स ऑल कॉस्मेटीक वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन बेनावलीम रायट नाव
म्हणजे तुजेरूय एलिगेशन येता तू सँड ड्यून डिस्ट्रॉय करता म्हणटा खंयचे JCB घालता म्हणटा
ते न्हू कितें म्हणटा नाटकाय मोठी उतर आहा न्हू सर
पूण JCB आहली तुजी
हुंय
थंय
JCB आहलोली सँड्युनाचे नाहलोली
मागीर
सँड्युनाचे आहलो जाल्यार ते आंत म्हळ्यार केस करपाचें मुजे
जावना ती केस
जावं कितकोन जातली वेन इट वॉज नॉट डे हांवें मागीर दुसरे दीस थिंगा पंचायती सरपंचाक पंचायता घेन थिंगा वाड्या लोकांक सेंड्युनाचे उब रावन हांवें स्टेटमेंट दिला
येस एंडियन म्हणून
हे सेंड्यून हिंगा
सेंड्यून आहा अजून.
आहा म्हूण MLA गे भिजते बोबा बोंब आवाज सर
सो वॉट
Groundaचे
पॉझिटिव्ह
ते.
थिंग यू आर गोइंग टू डू सांग
Sir, very important is waste management in Benaulim today. If you go across from Seraulim to Kavilosim, garbage is a huge problem. Huge. There's one building in Benaulim Peda called Kurtarkar building. They do not have a plan for waste management. Like that, there are so many buildings. They do not have a plan. People are dumping garbage wherever there is a road. The Benaulim Naveli bypass, that's a big issue. Waste management will be my priority to make sure that there's no dumping happening on the roads. I don't think this is what we should show the younger generation.
Absolutely.
Employment. We have so many 5-star hotels. MLA is taking CSR funds from them, so he's not speaking about it. I can tell you, I have RTI with me, everything. Each and every 5-star hotel has only 10 to 12% employment for locals. The rest is all outsiders. all आमगे गोंयकार लोक शिकोन नाय सगळे शिकलो आहे तेम कित्या मेळनाय तो जॉब
When you say local, it is Goans.
गोवन्स
Okay.
गोवन्स आर हार्डली इन द percentage of 10 to 12
Okay. आणि ते बाणावलेकार कितले आहा
सारखे कमी so why are the people of Benaulim constituency suffering, the children, the youth? तेम मागीर ते illegally America वचो पडटा मिडल ईस्ट वचो पडटा लंडन वचो पडटा कामां फॅमिली सोडून बायले सोडून भुरग्यां सोडून कित्याक हेच कारणां लागून the MLA is taking CSR funds, they have to shut them out. Every hotel is discharging sewage into the ocean. I will not allow that to happen. I
Even
don't
now
know.
you can raise alarm on that.
I raise it. I have clearly, openly, I have exposed Mahindra Hotel. I have exposed Zuri Hotel. If you go behind Mahindra and Zuri, you see them discharging
Directly in.
directly in the creeks.
Okay.
You see Kolwa Creek. So employment, waste management, these are on top, sir. This has to be taken care of. Because if there's no employment, if the child is without a job, how they say, a devil's mind
Yeah.
roams wayward, and then the child gets into all
Empty
bad
mind
activities.
is devil's workshop.
Empty mind is devil's workshop. So once a child gets into a bad mindset, then Thomas Santa. Third and very important, sir, the rise of drugs in Benaulim constituency. Huge. Don't listen to me. Go to Kolwa police station, ask them their diary and check the amount of drug cases.
Sale or consumption?
Sale,
Okay.
huge sale of drugs in Benaulim constituency. Sale and prostitution. But drugs is gone. Think Kalangut zatale te ais Banal zata. There's so much drugs. Recently, like 6 months back, they caught one couple from Delhi in Fatrade. They were staying there in one flat. How is that happening? Why is the drug sale happening here? You think it's happening without the knowledge of the MLA?
So
And
you
if
are
it's
alleging
happening-
nexus.
There's a huge nexus of drugs happening here in Benaulim constituency. Huge.
वेन्झीचा nexus सांगता तू. It's a serious thing.
See,
you're talking
I am
about.
telling you, तुगे गारा तू आन गारा पात्रांव. तुगे गारा कित येते वयते ते तुगे जबाबदारी. तू घेवपा जायच if you are the owner. ती तेगे जबाबदारी. He has to take responsibility. Otherwise, if you can't do it, you're not fit to be an MLA.
So these are the major things.
This
that you-
and the scams that are happening, especially with WRD and PWD. Benaulim constituency roads and waterways have been taken for granted. तुगे आमगे रस्त्यानाचे कितल्यो टेंडर येले कितल्योच पूण रस्तेच आहे तुम्ही
रस्ते मोदी आले तेन्ना केलं म्हणटा मध्ये पीएम मोदी आले तेन्ना रस्ते
कितले
चकाचक केले
चकाचक केले पूण आतां फोंटाय काट आनी तूं ह्यो रस्त्यासून येयला बाणालसून बिची कडेन तो रस्तो बेनॉलिम फिशर फोक कम्युनिटीन आमगे बाप पेली आहा पेलीन दिगंबर कामता आपोयन पंचायता घेन म्हाका देखून आपयल्लो हांव देखून गेला आमी थिंग ते मागीर MLA मिनिस्टरान तो रेडी हें केलो स्टार्ट केलो MLA नेक्स्ट वीक पोतून वचोन नाल फोटा कितें तेणें केलो म्हूण एसोलो MLA आमगेलो कॉस्मेटीक
Thank you very much.
Yes,
So
sir.
now next what with you? You are joining Congress.
I hope and pray that Congress opens the doors for me. because my step is to take this party upwards and onwards. I really want to work with the Congress party. I want to work with Girish sir. I want to work with Yuri Alemao. I want to work with Archit Naik. I want to work with Captain Viryat. I want to work with them. And if I get a chance, I can assure you that they will not be disheartened if I work with them. I will make sure not only Benalim constituency but Salsette belt, the youth, I'll be the face of the youth of Salsette.
नावेलीम सोडू ना, you just said नावेलीम आपण
But
बाणावली
if I get
बांधावली
elected, then I have to take care now of the youth. If I get
Thank
elected,
you very much,
Thank you,
Warren.
man.
Thank you for
much, sir.
joining.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So आशिल्ले वॉरन आलेमाव, बाणावलेचे leader. He says that he's going to contest next election. He's confident about joining Congress and contesting from there. So thank you for watching this interview. Keep watching Goa News Hour.
अरे उस प्लान का क्या हुआ
इस वीकेंड पे चले क्या?
गाइस? हिमाचल और केरला?
नहीं यार, इट्स टू कोल्ड। तो फिर गोवा चले क्या?
ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर इट। डन? डन। फ्लाइट टिकट्स तो बुक हो गई है।
पर वहाँ घूमेंगे कैसे?
रेंट कार बुक करें?
ओके।
ओके। अरे यार, ये तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है।
अरे यार, गोवा है यार, बाइक ले लेते हैं।
ओके।
भैया हमें रेंट बाइक देखना है, कुछ नया पावरफुल स्टाइलिश।
कितना दिन के लिए चाहिए?
2 दिन के लिए।
तो ये वाला लीजिए, होंडा का डिओ 125
ओह
सीसी।
नाइस।
The all-new Honda Dio 125. Bold design, powerful 125cc performance, and smooth rides made for Goa.
रेंट कार नहीं लिया, वो बेस्ट डिसीजन था।
बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल राइड थी
और काफी स्टाइलिश भी है।
और हैंडलिंग भी स्मूथ है।
ऑल्सो इट वॉज अ ग्रेट फन।
यस।
Honda Dio 125. Rent it, ride it, live Goa.